Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Ever wonder how insurance companies make their money? Well, today we are diving into a report from White Mountains Insurance Group to see how they're betting on the future and whether those bets are paying off. Today we are looking at a report filed in April of 2025 by White Mountains Insurance Group. This is called an 8K, which is basically a quick update that companies give to investors about big news that might matter to them. The main thing in this report is that White Mountains is putting a lot of money, $150 million to be exact, into a company called Broad Street Partners. Broad Street is an insurance brokerage, kind of like a store where you can shop for different insurance plans. They operate all over the United States and Canada. So why is White Mountains making this move? Well, let's dig a little deeper. Unfortunately, this specific report doesn't give us a peek into White Mountains' overall financial health. It's more about this one deal with Broad Street. However, we can still think about why they would make this investment. Investing in a brokerage like Broad Street could give White Mountains access to a much larger customer base. Think of it like this. If you own a factory that makes toys, it helps to have a store that sells those toys to people all over the country. Broad Street could be that store for White Mountains insurance products. This investment is like adding a powerful sales team to White Mountains, helping them reach more customers and potentially increase their profits down the line. At FEMA, it seems like White Mountains believes that the insurance business will continue to grow and they want to be right in the middle of that growth. By teaming up with Broad Street, they are betting that more people will need insurance in the future now. Let's think about this deal from a broader perspective. What does this mean for White Mountains? Well, it's a calculated risk. They are betting that Broad Street will help them grow their insurance business and make more money in the long run. But like any investment, there's always a chance things might not go as planned. What does this mean for you? Probably not too much directly, but it's interesting to see how big companies are positioning themselves for the future and how they make decisions about where to put their money. So in conclusion, White Mountains is making a big investment in an insurance brokerage, hoping to expand its reach and grow its business. It's a strategic move that could pay off big time, but it's also a risk. Only time will tell if this bet will pay off. Thanks for watching Corporate Decoder. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more peeks behind the curtain of the corporate world.